Here's a short video on what pencils do what and what those numbers and letters mean. I'm starting with a 9H. This is not only the lightest pencil, but also the hardest graphite. When you see the words hard to soft on a pack of pencils, this usually means there is a range from 9H to 9B. 9B being the softest, 9H being the hardest. Now, as the numbers head towards 0, they get darker. There isn't a 0 though, but there is an HB, which I would consider to be your average middle ground pencil. There's an F, B and a H in there somewhere as well, but I can never remember which way round they are and don't tend to use them anyway. Now you start to head back up the scale, but this time with a B after the number instead of an H. So as you get higher up the number, the softer the graphite gets. Now this is quite important because when it comes to blending, if you're going to use a blending stick or a makeup brush, the more soft the graphite is, the more it's leaving on the paper. So you can use that to then sweep across and blend in the areas that you want nice and smooth. Moving on to charcoal, this is a cheap as chips one from Tiger, but it's super soft and super dark. So some people use these to get a really nice contrast on their portraits. And lastly, mechanical pencils. I'm sure you've seen these before. You can get these to get the super tight details in the eyes, for example, as it always has a sharp point. They come in various sizes. I have a 0.7, a 0.5 and a 0.3 for the tiny stuff. Not only do you get these in different sizes, but you get them in the different graphites as well. So here's a few that I've got in 0.3. You can see they show you the sizes on the little packets and also what graphite they are as well. So I've got 2H, 4H and an HB there. I hope this has been helpful. If you've got any more questions, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comments below. Bye!